What's up everyone? Today we're going to be pushing the DJI Avata to its max.
Some of the tricks we're going to be doing today I've never done before with the Avata, and we're going to see if we can do it. Some of what we're going to do is we're going to do the Rubik's Cube, where we're going to go upside down, spin all the way around, and try and roll out of it.
Guys, make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Let's go. Okay. Alright everyone, this should be a super exciting video. I'm going to let him take control mostly with talking and letting you guys know what he's about to do.
We're starting with some front rollovers just to get a feel for how we're feeling. Getting a feel for how everything's acting. Some dives.
So you said you want to do the Rubik's Cube. Do you have any other tricks that you want to try out today?
I have some split turns that I want to mess around with. Okay, let's go ahead and let's try and just do this Rubik's Cube thing.
All right, Rubik's Cube, take one. Here we go.
Now we're gonna do some simple, like kind of through some small gate stuff.
Guys, also make sure whatever video you want us to make next, leave a comment, because we really love to hear what you guys want to see us make and what ideas you guys have for our channel.
We're gonna go through that gate right there. Get some more rolls in, just practice staying stable at altitude. Like that.
All right, that was good.
Make sure there's nothing I'm gonna hit underneath these trees. Make sure that gap is good. Now I'm gonna try and go up, over, and dive around. Let's try it.
What's been your favorite thing about having the DJI Avata?
Actually finding out that it's super capable of all these tricks. I didn't actually know today going into it if it would be able to do some of the stuff
Okay.
that I'm asking of it right now, but it's doing it all right. I also like flybys. That's been a lot of fun to do.
Yeah, the flybys are fun because it's so fast when it comes over your head.
Like that.
Insane. What's your scariest moment you've ever had with the Avata?
Losing complete signal is pretty terrifying.
Yeah.
When you
There's
have,
that one time we were actually in the same area, guys, and we were flying and we completely lost signal. That was pretty scary.
Yeah.
All right, what else are we gonna try out today?
Mainly it was the Rubik's Cube, if I'm gonna be honest.
The Rubik's Cube.
That's the main thing I wanted to see if I could do. The thing that I'm working on right now, just trying to get better.
Yeah.